Introducing Scepter, a revolutionary safety barrier system that's designed with you in mind. We believe that after watching this video, that adopting this system will give your company a competitive edge. We designed Scepter with your industry in mind, and we understand that persuading you to switch means radically improving the old traditional safety barrier fencing you've always used. To do that, we'll focus on the safety, efficiency, and cost savings that Scepter could bring to all your future projects. We'll briefly cover the game-changing Scepter features within each of these topics to discover just how big an impact it could have on your operations, projects, and bottom line. First up, safety. There are numerous ways in which Scepter is far safer than traditional posts, but here are the top 4. 1. Built-in safety caps. Improves hammer deflection so your crew are less likely to get hurt. 2. Built-in fence hooks. No rusty ties or sharp wires means no more injuries when installing fencing material. 3. Depth gauge indicators. Avoid subsurface utility damage by showing how far each post is driven into the ground. 4. Impact protection. No sharp rebar means all crew members are safer from fall and impaling liabilities. Then let's look at savings. Every day, Scepter saves contractors significantly on operation and payroll costs. Here's how. Traditional systems require significant crew and expensive equipment to set up and tear down, while Scepter requires minimal crew and simple hand tools from setup to tear down. It's also important to remember that while most traditional fences are damaged or destroyed in their teardown process, Scepter fences are reusable. So simply by switching to the Scepter system, you avoid unnecessary disposal expenses and environmental landfill impact. The exponential savings on overhead costs put you ahead of the competition in efficiency and bottom line savings. Finally, we have speed and efficiency. You know better than anyone that efficiency is the name of the game on any project, and that working faster without compromising safety is a dramatic improvement to any workflow. Scepter requires far less labor crew for setup and teardown. On average, we've found that it saves at least 40 payroll hours for every mile of fencing in the setup process alone. Here's how. During our 50-foot fence setup case study, we found that a traditional fence takes 3 crew members 27 minutes total to set up. Yet our Scepter fence took just 1 crew member approximately 5 minutes to fully install the same 50 feet of safety barrier fencing. And when it comes to fence teardown, Scepter again leaves traditional fencing in the dust. Because it's so efficient, you won't only save with radically reduced labor expenses, but also in material costs over time, since the posts won't be destroyed in the removal process like other fencing solutions. In all, the speed and efficiency of Scepter makes for a night and day difference that completely upends the old, inefficient process and offers an expedited setup and teardown timeline requiring significantly less crew resources. Not to mention radically improved aesthetics around your project, job site, or barrier zone. Our posts are far more resistant to being bent or pushed over, resulting in safety mesh that presents neat and straight fencing and posts that maintain their integrity use after use. The improvements speak for themselves. With less labor and less time, you get a better looking fence that you'll use again and again across your job sites. There are significantly more features worth your time to review, along with detailed demonstrations, scenarios, and testimonials on our website, where you can also view our extensive product range to see how Scepter can suit your next project's needs. This includes additional applications such as livestock management and farming, environmental silt fencing, high visibility fence posts, and snow fencing, to name a few. Visit our website at scepterpost.com or contact us today for a sales rep or distributor in your area. We look forward to helping you realize increased safety, superior efficiency, and reduced operating costs as you adopt the Scepter Barrier System.